In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Teams meeting from Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your meeting quickly, whether you prefer using the desktop app or your web browser. First, open Outlook from your desktop. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with the account that received the meeting invite. Using the same work or school account helps Outlook and Teams recognize your permissions and ensures you land in the right meeting without interruptions. Your invitation email contains everything you need. The simplest option is to open that email and select the link that says, "Click here to join the meeting." When you click it, your browser will launch and offer you a few ways to join. If you want the full app experience, choose the option to download Teams. This installs the Teams desktop app on your computer. After installation, return to the invitation and click the Join link again, or follow the prompt to open the meeting in Teams. The app gives you the most reliable audio and video and access to features like background effects and device controls. If installing software isn't possible on your device, pick Join on the web instead. This lets you join from a modern browser without downloading anything. The first time you do this, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. Select Allow so others can hear and see you. Before you enter the meeting, you'll see a preview screen where you can choose your speakers, microphone, and camera and turn them on or off. It's a good idea to mute your microphone before joining, then unmute when you're ready to speak. Already using the Teams app, you can join straight from Teams using the meeting ID included in your email. In Teams, open Meet, select Join with a meeting ID, and type the meeting ID exactly as shown in the invitation. This is especially handy if the email isn't in front of you, but you've saved the ID. A few quick tips to make your join experience smoother. Try to join a minute or two early to test audio and video. If you don't hear anything, check that the correct speakers and microphone are selected on the pre-join screen. If the browser or app asks for permissions, approve them so your devices work. And if the meeting won't open, verify you're signed into Outlook and Teams with the same account that received the invite. That's it. Launch Outlook. Use the join link in your email. Choose between downloading the app or joining on the web, or join by meeting ID in Teams. You're ready to go.